All right, so adding another piece here. This is the console vault. This is Roush branded. So you have our nice R logo right there on the top with a 4-digit combination. This actually just mounts right inside your existing OEM console. It'll go right in, and then essentially you create the box with it. A very simple install again. Probably gonna take us another 20 minutes to put this on. This is great to just have that added level of security. If you have the doors off, you have the top off, you don't want people bothering you, you can lock this with your own configurable combination.